You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, this expression from Latin, which I believe is used in legal terms and other contexts. If you want to learn more Latin, stay tuned to the channel. The Latin pronunciation is a fortiori or a fortiori. Okay, so this is why you're gonna learn or hear people saying a fortiori, which is more the Latin pronunciation. Now, there is an alternative pronunciation in English that is used and correct, which is a fortiori. A fortiori is also correct. So if you hear a fortiori, that works, and a fortiori also works because it's more the Latin pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.